407 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new weapon to combat the forces of evil. And that weapon is me, Abraham Lincoln. Truth Martini, it seems as I've been called to action once again by the leaders of this great country to battle the House of Truth. And just like I did at Desert Storm, once I lock these Patriot missiles on you, brother, no one in your house will survive the blast radius. I'm Abraham Lincoln. United we stand, divided you fall.